excited to soon show you the new furniture, patio furniture that we got for back here. It comes in next weekend on Saturday, so stay tuned for that. This is what it's looking like now. And up here we have a TV that I got for my husband on his birthday in November. So, yep. And today, hold on, let me turn this camera around. So today is the time changing where now it gets darker. I got something in my eyeball. Where it gets darker a lot later, where it's like 8:30 and it's still daylight outside, where I come home from work and it's not dark. I love this time. Let me know down below how many of you like this new time coming up. That changes tonight. So yeah, so tomorrow we'll be in the new time already, and I absolutely love it. Today I am also getting my nails done. This is what they look like right now, and I'm a little bit indecisive because I don't know what to do. I don't know if to just cut them down and just do a basic color, like, oh, I have a mosquito on me. Just like do no nail art, or if I should just take them off and give my nails a break. So I'm not too sure what it is exactly that I want to do today. Also today I am getting my hair done. As you can see, all the gray in my hair, that will be gone later on. So yeah, a lot of things today, and my daughter, of course, and her husband will be coming over later on tonight. So my nail appointment is at 10, and my hair appointment is at 3. Little puppies. I'm out here taking them out to go potty. And now, you want to see them get excited? Jojo, you want to do potty? Jojo, where are you? You want to go potty? You want to go potty? You want to go potty? Yeah? Did you go potty already? Ginger, you want to go potty? Ginger. Yeah, they're not excited because they already went potty. Are you still so sleepy? You still so sleepy? He has. Jojo, come here, Papa. Good boy. He has these things. He doesn't like me touching his ear. But you guys see that? I don't know what that is. I've taken him to the vet. Hold on. So when I took him to the vet for his annual checkup, I showed his ear to the vet that was attending him, and she didn't really know what it was. Also, I took him to go see a specialist for his eyes, because he also has like a little lump or bump in his eye, and it's kind of folded in and it's irritating his eye. That is going to need surgery. His ear is going to also need surgery, and he also needs his teeth cleaned. So, yeah, at the end of the day, Jojo's going to be a new dog. I am on the go today. Now I'm going to go get my nails done. I will show you what I finally decided to do. I am super excited because the cleaning lady is actually here today. I don't know if I've given you the story on that in past videos, but I'll recap you guys on what has been going on with her. So now off to my nails, and then later at 3, my hair. It's just a beauty day for me, guys. What can I say? Okay, so look. Nails are done. Just very simple red. I don't know what I'm doing here. Simple red, and I also did simple red on my toes. Now at 3 o'clock, I have my hair And then I'm done with beauty day. Then I have to go home. Although the cleaning ladies at the house, I still have to do the laundry and pick up and clean the upstairs of my house. So I am heading home now. Soon to be no more grays. It is hair time. I will show you the results when I am done. I will be. Well, hair is done. Look at this, how gorgeous. What a gorgeous job she does. No more white hairs. I love it. It's just so soft and so smooth. I don't know what product she uses on my hair, but it really makes my hair soft, smooth, and beautiful. Alrighty guys, so I am going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Love you guys a lot, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys. So I have some very exciting news to share with you guys. Today I hit 20,000 subscribers. I thank each and every one of you for helping me keep my channel alive. I would not have been able to do this without you guys. So a big, huge thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you all. Mwah!